Although I'm mostly a nature photographer, I do pictures for people and businesses now and then. As I'm always looking for new ways to promote myself, one interesting and fun way to do this is superimpose my business into the photos. When I'm out shooting, I always keep an eye open for signs that are easy to Photoshop my pictures into them. Not any sign will do, it's all about the art. People hire you because of your ability to capture artistic photos. I always make sure that the picture's appealing all by itself, even before I do any photo editing. When I come home and post all my photos, the signed pictures without editing may or may not get posted. It depends on how good they are. But then later, when the weather outside is not good, when I have nothing to do, I pull out these pictures and tinker with them. I experiment which photo looks the best superimposed into the picture. After I'm happy with the results, I use it to advertise my artistic eye abilities. Two things to keep in mind when taking these kind of photos. First, make life easy for yourself. Make sure no people, trees, or branches are in front of the sign. You can make it work, but it'll always be way more difficult than it needs to be. Second, you will have to have a photo editing software that will let you do this. Just Google how to do that and let the photo editing experts teach you how to do this. Just keep in mind that this whole creative field is endless with possibilities. There is no end to what you can do. Well, that's it for this video. Have fun and keep shooting.